most of the time when you have one of these, look, it doesn't fit. Do you need a small little mini plug to travel, or you're in a weird spot and you don't have a lot of space and you need a mini wall plug? Well, Sharge has you covered. Thank you to Sharge for sending these over to me to review their new air charger. And I've got the 40 watt and the 20 watt. Depending on what kind of device you need to charge, you can, pick which watt works for you. But let me show you kind of like what makes this so great. I've got an unplugged cord here. So this is your traditional iPhone charger that you might get or have gotten or have. As you can see, while it's minimal and it works just fine, it does take a lot of space and it can be a bit awkward. If you're traveling, it does also take a lot of space. And most of the time, these little wall prongs, these little things here don't fold. The prongs don't fold, so it's just awkward. These are very, very, very little. They have one USB-C plug right there, and the prongs here are foldable. So once you fold them in, it's so small. It takes up very little space. To show you how much smaller that is compared to, the iPhone. Now, it's definitely slimmer. It is just as tall. It is just as tall as a traditional wall plug, but it is thinner. So chances are, got another one of these. You can plug them in right next to each other. And as you can see here, you can really use all three spots of an extension cord. Because most of the time when you have one of these, look, it doesn't fit. So if you've got an outlet or an area where you just don't have a ton of space, or you just need a small mini wall plug that also is incredible at charging your phone or charging your device at the speed that it's meant to be charged at, this is the item for you. You can get it as a 20 watt or as a 40 watt. I have many, many items from Sharge, and they are great products. They both have a USB-C, and that's all you need. Air charger from Sharge.